And it's March, the month of celebrations and holidays. So many reasons to send a sale campaign, but first, let's go through this month's updates. Reminders. You probably know that we are done with the classic Omnisend era and are now in new Omnisend one. Check out this page. We know that retro times are cool, but it's time to move on. So do it with us. And we understand that change comes with a challenge sometimes. So to help you adapt quicker, make sure to join our upcoming Form Builder workshop next week on March 15th. You will learn what you can do and how much you can earn with forms other than just pop-up. Save your spot by following the link below. If you missed our Email Builder workshop and still not sure how to get the most out of your emails, check the link in the description and watch that recap. We're also introducing our new workshops and events guides section. Access an extensive library of recordings from our past workshops and events curated to help extend your marketing skills and knowledge, as well as all the answers to the questions that were asked during those workshops. You know where to find the link. Form Builder. We are excited to announce the release of new templates in the Forms library. As we gear up for the multiple celebrations in March, we're thrilled to introduce 2 new templates dedicated to the International Women's Day celebration. What's more, we've added St. Patrick's Day template to our recommended section to help you get a head start on your holiday marketing campaigns. Be sure to check out these new templates and start creating engaging forms for your audience. Moreover, in the anticipation of the upcoming Easter holiday, we have recently launched a set of special templates that merchants can use to prepare their online stores for the occasion. Collect multiple answers in a form with a new checkbox item in the Forms Builder. Simply drag and drop the checkbox item anywhere in your form and collect. With different checkbox choices, you can map them to custom properties in your store and use this valuable data to segment your audience. Integrations. This month, we've got 3 new integrations: Subscriptions by Loop, Notify Me Back in Stock Alerts, and Get Site Control. Well, short and sweet this month, so go and get it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!